Your pizza oven is an investment in great food and memories, and protecting it is paramount. But you are likely destroying its most vital part with soap and water and don't even know it. This isn't the only invisible killer. How you heat your oven can create microfractures that lead to total failure. These common practices shave years off your oven's life, but they are all entirely avoidable with the right methods. We will break down proper oven care, from the first firing to daily habits and long-term preservation, giving you a new maintenance blueprint. Let's start at the beginning. Did you properly cure your new oven? Skipping this one-time process is the original sin of pizza oven ownership. New masonry ovens contain trapped manufacturing water. Firing to full temperature instantly turns this to steam, creating immense internal pressure that causes permanent damage. The correct method involves a series of small, low-temperature fires over several days, gently baking the moisture out, not boiling it out. This process is non-negotiable. An improperly cured oven is permanently weakened. It becomes far more susceptible to damage from thermal shock and environmental moisture later in its life. Once cured, the fight against moisture moves to the outside. For outdoor ovens, the number one enemy is weather. A high-quality weatherproof cover is not an accessory. It is a required component that prevents water from seeping into the masonry, freezing, and causing degradation. Why is heating a cold stone quickly so bad? It's physics. The outside of the stone expands rapidly while the inside remains cold, and this differential stress causes it to crack. Your pizza stone is porous. It absorbs soap, which then burns when heated, and permanently taints your food's flavor. Why remove ash religiously? Leftover ash absorbs ambient moisture, which creates a damp paste that causes long-term damage to your oven's floor. Why use clean hardwoods? Softwoods produce excessive soot, which insulates the oven dome, causing uneven heating and thermal stress. Your oven's dome thermometer lies. The air can be 500 degrees while the stone is only 300. Cooking on a cold stone ruins the pizza. So how do you fight these invisible forces? You make them visible. An infrared thermometer is your most important tool for reading the actual cooking surface. The right way to preheat? Start with a small fire and let it grow slowly over 45 to 60 minutes. Use your thermometer to watch the stone temperature rise gradually and evenly. The right way to clean your stone. First, scrape off debris with a brush. For tough stains, simply flip the stone over. The next firing's heat will incinerate any residue. Proper operation isn't just about fire, it is about airflow. Your door and vents are the gas and brake pedals for temperature and heat retention. For preheating, keep the door on but vents fully open. This draws in oxygen to build up powerful fire while trapping heat inside the dome for efficient heating. For cooking, crack the door slightly ajar. This maintains airflow to feed the flames for that live fire effect, while preventing the intense heat from escaping too quickly. These principles apply broadly, but maintenance changes between oven types. But what is the one mechanical part that fails on nearly all ovens, costing you heat and money? For electric ovens, the danger isn't ash, it's cleaning sprays. Never spray the control panel. Moisture can seep in and short-circuit expensive controls. For gas ovens, the igniters and burners can get clogged with debris. This leads to inefficient burns, uneven heating, and potential safety issues. While you can clean burners, any work involving the gas line or electrical systems is non-negotiable. Always call a licensed professional for these repairs. Your oven's manual is the ultimate source of truth. Adhering to its specific guidelines for your model is the baseline for all other maintenance strategies. One component that fails across all oven types? The door seal or gasket. It degrades over time from heat cycles, creating leaks making the oven work harder and wear out faster. Remember thermal shock from heating too fast? When weather moisture combines with leftover ash, it attacks the oven floor, especially if weakened by microfractures. Proper maintenance is a system. Proper curing prevents initial weakness, proper heating prevents ongoing stress, and proper cleaning prevents chemical degradation. How do you keep track of all this? With a maintenance log. Tracking when you clean and inspect helps you spot problems before they become catastrophes. So, extending your oven's life comes down to 3 pillars: controlling temperature changes, managing moisture, and performing consistent correct inspections. By implementing these specific strategies, you are not just maintaining your oven, you're actively preserving its integrity and performance for decades to come. Your oven's lifespan is not predetermined. It's a direct result of the care you provide. Take control of its future. Start today by inspecting your door seal. Protect your investment and it will reward you with countless perfect pizzas and cherished memories.